Hi students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a short video on complete details of CA Inter pre-results crash batches to be started in December 2021 for May 2022 attempt. So this is meant for IPC and CA Inter students who have recently write their examinations, that is December 2021. So I have a few questions. So do you lack conceptual clarity and would like to brush up your concepts? And would you like to learn more in a very lesser amount of time? Yes, then this video is meant for you. So first of all, let me introduce you masterminds. This is especially required for the students who are watching this video for the first time. Masterminds was established in the year 2002 in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, and has been serving as a reliable platform for students to fulfill their dreams to qualify in CA/CMA courses with nearly 20,000 admissions per annum. So following are the services that we offer. First of all, we offer coaching for MEC with integrated coaching for CA and CMA foundation. We also offer exclusive MEC, CEC coaching classes also, and we offer coaching for regular batches, crash batches, study hours and revision examination batches, masterminds, test series services for all the levels of CA/CMA courses. Recently, we have launched a new and unique academic program called MEC Pro, aiming for students who aspire to pursue MBA, BBA, CLAT in future rather than CA/CMA courses, and we received huge applause. To know further about masterminds, here is an exclusive video. I am leaving a link of the same in the card section. Please look at the top right corner of this video. First of all, let us try to understand what is meant by crash batch. Generally, in our organization, we offer CA Inter regular batch coaching in 1500 to 1600 hours for both the groups. Whereas, we also offer crash batch coaching in just 450 to 500 hours in each group. That is approximately 1000 hours, both groups together. So due to enormous experience of our faculty team, they can give crisp and clear explanation, which is very much nearer to the explanation being given in regular batch at in a very lesser number of hours. So that's where the experience lies. Regular batch is meant for first time listeners and crash batch is meant for repeaters. That means assuming that you might have already taken coaching somewhere else. So whatever we teach in crash batch, the same is being offered as regular batch in all the metros. I hope students are aware of this fact. For example, in all the metros, CA Inter regular batch coaching is offered in just 900 to 1000 hours. That is what we are offering in crash batch. So our crash batch is equal to regular batch in other institutions. Sir, how is it possible to teach in lesser number of hours in crash batches when compared to regular batch? Everything is possible if you develop our own materials. We have exclusively developed our own materials in which lot many things can be taught in a very lesser number of problems. For example, so if there are two different problems with some slight modifications, instead of teaching two problems, we'll try to match those two problems and include everything in a single problem. So there we can save a lot of time. Similarly, there will be some basic models which are generally required for first time listeners but not for repeaters. So we will eliminate such kind of problems, and we also eliminate some repetitive problems which are repetitive in nature. For example, on a particular concept, we may need to teach two problems for regular batch students. When it comes to crash batch students, one problem is enough. So all such things will be eliminated so as to minimize the material and would like to teach everything in a very lesser number of problems. So there lies the magic. Sir, what are the essential highlights of crash batch? Latest, comprehensive and the best materials of 46th edition will be provided for all the subjects. So they are the most comprehensive material. If you read those materials, you need not refer any other sources. Unlike other institutions, we will conduct weekend examinations for crash batch students also. And that too, those weekend examinations will be at par with that of public exams. Of course, these exams will be conducted for the students of physical batch as well as online batch, and we will not be able to conduct such kind of exams for students who take subject-wise coaching. So well-trained, best in the industry, experienced and expert faculty not only for few selective subjects, but for all the subjects. And we can proudly say that all the faculty who are going to teach for crash batches are our CEO batches faculty, that is central office batch faculty. So specialization, unlike others, each group in our institution will be taught by 7 to 8 faculty. I have seen some institutions where a single faculty teaches 2 to 3 subjects. In our institution, a single subject will be taught by 2 to 3 faculty. So you will get the benefit of specialization. So students of other states can also come and join. Comfortable English teaching will be there. So one set of pre-final exams will also be conducted at a nominal additional fee, and the classes will be conducted for 10 to 11 hours a day. And after completion of syllabus, optional service of study hours and revision exams will be provided till May 2022 public examinations. And best approach is to take coaching in pre-results batches, and once the results are out, to join for post-result study hours and revision examinations. That's how you need to plan. For more information on what is this study hours and revision exams, what is this pre-results batches, there is an exclusive video, that is complete details of CA Inter pre-result study hours and revision exams batches for May 2022 attempt. That is the title of the video. I am leaving the link of that video in the card section. Look at the top right corner and watch that video for complete information. For the first time in CA coaching industry, CA Inter crash batch coaching is being offered in 3 different modes by masterminds. Let us see what are those 3 modes. First of all, complete physical batch. Yes, what you heard is right. Very few institutions are there who are able to run physical batch right now. So we are going to conduct physical classes at Guntur. And whatever the physical classes being conducted in Guntur, the same classes will be live telecasted. The same physical classes will be live telecasted either through Zoom or some other platform. And here students can interact with the faculty. And this is far better than recorded video classes. So instead of going for recorded video classes, it's better to go for interactive classes. So this is called complete online batch, alternatively called as COB. And the third one is VOD, video on demand. So in this mode, you can directly purchase the recorded video classes, and there is no interaction with the faculty. I don't support this kind of method, but still, if you are interested, that's your wish. We are ready to provide VOD batch also. So in this VOD batch, classes will be recorded in the classroom, but not in the shooting room. That means while interacting with the students, whatever the doubts they raise, those will also get recorded in the videos. And these are latest recordings. These are fine-tuned according to July and December 2021 question paper trends. These are not earlier recorded videos. So why to adjust with old videos being sold by others which are not up to the date? So our videos are up to date and which are recorded based on latest exam trends. So 1.5 views will be given, 6 months of validity will be given. 1.5 view means 1 hour video can be watched for 1.5 hours. So you can buy entire group or individual subjects or even important chapters directly from our app. So subject-wise coaching is also allowed in CPB. Obviously, VOD will always be there. You need to choose whatever the subjects you want. For more details, watch an exclusive video on multi-learning models adopted by masterminds. So I'm leaving the link of that video in the card section. Look at the top right corner. And in case of VOD option, videos of each group can be purchased for as low as just 12,000 rupees per group. So this is the most economical model of taking coaching for CA Inter crash batch. So validity will be for 6 months. That means on an average, you are paying just 2,000 rupees per month per group. So this is the most affordable option you can have. So batch commencement date 24th of December 2021 at 2:15 p.m. So let us see more details about group 1 crash batch. 450 to 500 hours of detailed coaching in 2 months, and that means syllabus will get completed in 2 months. So this is meant for repeaters, not for first time listeners. 100% coverage of all the chapters in these 2 months itself. Of course, for a few unimportant chapters, we'll provide video classes. So options of COB, that is complete online batch, CPB, complete physical batch, VOD, video on demand. All the 3 options will be available. With respect to VOD students, on daily basis, we will record video classes in the classroom and will upload the same. All the videos will be uploaded within 3 days of syllabus completion. If you need videos urgently, then you can even buy videos of August 2021 crash batch and these are 100% videos are already readily available in our app. So, but what I recommend is you better wait and purchase the latest videos. If there is an urgency, you can purchase old videos also. So, more details of Group 2 crash batch. Just now we discussed Group 1 crash batch. Now I am going to discuss Group 2 crash batch. 450 to 500 hours of detailed coaching in 2 months. This is also meant for repeaters. VOD option alone is available. So 100% videos are already available in the app, and these are recorded in classroom in August 2021 crash batch. That means very recent. And students can attend physically and they can listen to virtual classes at Ubuntu. This is another option. Since VOD option alone is available, some students are requesting us, sir, we are not able to watch the videos promptly in our mobiles. So that's why we have come up with a unique solution. We will gather all the students who are interested to attend these video classes. We will make them to sit in a classroom and we will start playing the videos of Group 2 crash batch. So that is called virtual classes. That facility will also be there at Ubuntu. So more details of Group 1 regular batch. So 750 to 800 hours of detailed coaching. Of course, since this is regular batch, it is meant for first time listeners. In this case, VOD option alone is available. There is no question of virtual classes, no CPB, no COB, only VOD. For VOD students, we will provide videos of CA Inter 46th session regular batches, which started in August 2021. That means very recent. All these 46th session regular batch students are going to write their examinations in May 2022. So this course is readily available. Almost majority videos are already been uploaded, but by March 15th, we will be able to upload all the videos. So let us see some more details of Group 2 regular batch. So 600 to 700 hours of detailed coaching in 2.5 to 3 months. Remember, this is not a crash batch, it's a regular batch, and this is meant for first time listeners. Options of CPB, complete physical batch, COB, complete online batch, VOD, video on demand, all are available. For VOD students, we will provide videos of CA Inter 46th session regular batches, which started in August 2021. So this course is already available in our app, and all the videos will be uploaded by March 15th, 2022. For more details on all types of services that we offer before announcement of results, watch the video CA Inter exams of December 2021 attempt completed. What next? So in this video, we have explained what you need to do immediately after completion of exams. I am leaving the link of this video in the top right corner in card section. Look at the same. So let us see some FAQs on crash batches. For which type of students this crash batch is suitable? Definitely not meant for first time listeners. So let us assume you have underwent regular batch coaching earlier but not having enough conceptual clarity, maybe either due to online classes or choosing some non-standard coaching institution. Then this crash batch coaching is the right destination for you. So you want to get grip on the concepts in a very shortest possible time. Then the only option available is crash batch. Sir, what if I don't have reasonable conceptual clarity? Then you better join for regular batch. Crash batch is not your cup of tea. So you have to join the regular batch once again to get command over the concepts, and you need to aim for November 2022 attempt rather than May 2022. For more details, there is an exclusive video on 47th session of CA and CMA Inter regular batch, and I am leaving the link of that video in the cards section. Look at the top right corner of this video. Sir, if I had never attended regular batch coaching earlier, can I join in crash batch now? Definitely not. So this crash batch is not meant for such kind of students. Such kind of students should always join for regular batch. Sir, can I join in both groups at a time in crash batches? No, it's not possible. So you can only take coaching for one group at a time. Even for one group, classes will be conducted for 10 to 11 hours a day. Either in case of pre-results or in post-results, the situation will remain same. Sir, what is the advantage of virtual classes compared to VOD? If you remember, for group 2 crash batch, we are even offering virtual classes mode. So in VOD, that is video on demand, what happens is we are providing the videos to the students, but they keep on postponing watching them. They keep on due to procrastination. So when it comes to virtual classes, what happens is you are forced to come and sit in the classes. We will be playing the videos one after another, and you must attend the classes as per the schedule. So if at all you want to adjust with the videos, I suggest you to go for virtual classes rather than video on demand. Will there be any difference between materials provided to regular and crash batches? When it comes to problematic, yes, crash batch materials will be different from that of regular batch, because we cannot teach everything which we teach in regular batches. We will provide you abridged form of regular batch materials for crash batches. When it comes to theory subjects, we will provide same regular batch materials. There will not be any difference. How problematic subjects materials of crash batches are arrived at? Yes, I have already discussed. For a few unimportant chapters, we are going to provide video classes. How can students watch them? When it comes to our hostel students, we will play them in the classroom itself. When it comes to day scholars, we will provide access of those videos through our app, and you can watch them through your mobile, either Android or iOS. Will management provide solutions to assignment problems? Yes. The speciality of our material is, for every classroom problem, there will be a similar assignment problem, because in the public exam, you are not going to get copy-paste style of questions. Definitely a modified problem will come. That's why we will provide you a material that is assignment problems, in which every problem will be slightly modified when compared to CRD problem, that is classroom problem. First, we want you to try on your own. So after completion of chapter, within 2 days, we will provide you assignment solutions. So can I purchase videos of select 2 subjects in the app? Yes. Select 2 subjects, select 2 course, select 2 chapters, your wish. You can even purchase the entire course of CA Inter regular batch in the app itself. In case of VOD, how materials are going to be provided? So we will share you the PDF files, and you need to download the same from our app, and you need to take Xerox on your own. Once you purchase a particular course, then we will share you the material. In case of complete online batch, how materials are going to be provided? We will share you some Google Drive link through which you can download the materials. So, and you need to take Xerox on your own. In case of VOD, how students can access the videos? You can watch the videos in Android mobile or tab, or Apple iOS mobile or tab, but it's not possible to access our app from Windows or Apple computers. Will you give us guest questions? Yes, they will be provided. In every attempt, 60 to 70% of the questions in the public exam might have already been covered in a similar fashion in our guest questions, and even same thing happened for December 2021 attempt also, and even same thing happened for December 2021 attempt also. So for May 2022 attempt, they will be released by February ending. So what are the fee details? So frankly speaking, we have drastically reduced the fee from March 2020 as students are struggling with financial issues. We came under the ambit of GST, but we are paying it from our pocket. We don't want to create any unnecessary burden on the students. In case of VOD option, that is video on demand, videos of each group can be purchased for as low as 12,000 rupees per group. Since the validity is for 6 months, that means you are hardly paying 2,000 rupees per month. This will be the most affordable option to take crash batch coaching. So receiving huge applause for 46th edition of our Masterminds materials. So they are the most comprehensive materials. Let me explain you what are the major highlights. First of all, we have reduced the burden on students to the extent of 30 to 40%. We have eliminated unnecessary junk related to IPCC, 100% coverage of all ICA sources. We can assure you that you need not refer any study material, RTPs, MTPs, previous exam question papers. Once again, 100% prepared with exam orientation, and you can comfortably attempt 90 to 100 marks in the public exam following our materials. So specific points applicable to problematic subjects. For every classroom problem, there will be corresponding assignment problem, and students are supposed to solve them on their own. For every classroom and assignment problem, there will be 2 concept questions. That means how the answer will change if there is a modification in the question. So you need to solve them on your own. So that means one problem in our material will be equivalent to solving 2 to 3 problems in the materials of other institutions. Large number of problems, including comprehensive problems, which are being questioned in the public exam, are also included in income tax and GST. In the recent examinations of GST, you might have noticed that comprehensive problems are being given. That means problems which requires the knowledge of multiple chapters. So we identified the need and developed a large number of comprehensive problems. For in-depth information on highlights of our problematic subjects material, watch an exclusive video. I am leaving the link of that video in the card section. Please look at the top right corner. So let us see the specific points applicable to materials of theory subjects. So our 46th edition materials are the most comprehensive materials. Large number of concept questions, scenario based questions in the style of public exams are being included in our material. I still remember in the subjects like strategic management and EAS, for every theory question we have given 3 to 4 concept questions. That means how you need to answer if the same question is modified in the public exam. So large number of practical questions are given in the subject of law. MCQs question banks with large number of questions will be provided for all theory subjects. For in-depth information on highlights of our theory subjects, watch an exclusive video. I am leaving the link of that video in the top right corner. Look at the card section. So recently we have started new CA or CMA Foundation regular batches for June 2022 attempt, and we received huge applause. So what are the evidences of quality of our services? Here are few glimpses of evidences for quality of our services. 5 All India ranks at CA inter level in 2021 results alone. Here are our single digit ranks at IPCCR CA inter level. Secured 93 All India ranks at IPCCR CA inter level in the last 8 years. That means on an average 12 ranks per year or 6 ranks per attempt. Achieved All India first rank in IPCC. 3 All India first ranks in the year 2020 itself. 180 All India ranks in CA CMA courses in 2019-20 itself. So till today our students have achieved 977 All India ranks in all the stages of CA CMA courses, and our students have achieved 47 times first rank in various courses for which we are offering coaching, and we can humbly say that no other institution in AP and Telangana is nearer to these results. And please watch our exclusive video on achievements of our students at CA CMA inter level. I am leaving the link of that video in the card section. Look at the top right corner. So here are the details of our physical presence. So is there any hostel facility? Yes, available separately for boys and girls. So here are the details of our online presence. Please do follow. So please do install our app. If you belong to Android, then install the app Masterminds Online Classes. If you belong to iOS, then install the app Class Plus and enter the organization code as MZGUN. So once after installation, click the option Store. You will find an option called Store. So once you click that option, you will be able to find various courses readily available for sale. You can directly pay the amount and start watching the videos. So what are the types of videos that are available in our app? Regular batch videos for all stages of CA CMA course, crash batch videos for all stages of CA CMA course, rapid revision batches videos for all the subjects of all the stages of CA CMA course. What is this rapid revision batch? Each subject can be revised in just a matter of 25 to 30 hours. So guidance classes, motivational videos, amendments videos for all the subjects of all stages of CA CMA course are also available in the app. So Masterminds test series services are also available in the app. In all the above cases, you can buy select to groups, select to course, select to subjects, or even select to important chapters. You can enjoy some free services under the section study material in our app. You can even buy few services for as low as 100 rupees in our app. Happy to share that we are heading towards 25,000 downloads in Google Play Store. Thanks for your support. So, sir, is it possible to interact with you directly? Yes. If you want to interact with the academic advisor, that's me, then here is my mail ID. If you would like to interact with admin advisor with respect to some administrative issues, then here is the mail ID of Mohan sir, who takes care of administration. Let me thank my team members, Jabiullah Garu, faculty Chandrasekhar sir and faculty Purnachandrav sir, who helped me a lot in bringing this video into reality. For latest updates and notifications, please do subscribe this channel and press bell icon. All the best.